We have the seat blank now, and it's decided, and we have the holes drilled, and now we have to decide what to do with the shaping. And I've brought a few examples of what we can do. This is a very slight round over, a bit elongated. Could go anyway. There's a wide chamfer on the underside to make it look thinner, less bulky, and then we have more of a full round over, a little bit of a chamfer here, and then there is just a slight chamfer with rounded corners here. It's another option, and any combination really that you want to do with these. Bear in mind that a wide chamfer on the underside can be uncomfortable to grab, and you get the feeling that it will drop. You can't really grab it as well. Not so much a problem with the smaller stools, but if you do bigger ones, it can be. I'll be doing a round over mostly. Not quite sure yet how much, but yeah, I'll just start with the jack plane and the chamfer to get the overall dimensions of the round over. At least that's what I hope to achieve. So it might make sense to add a few lines now that I'm thinking about it. The grain is running out both ends, so it doesn't really matter which way I start. But it's gonna be cleaned up anyway. Oh, and I forgot the faces really. Just some guidelines. On the end grain, good to skew the plane, drop it 45 degrees, and sometimes it helps to move out of the cut if there's breakout. Yeah, you can see there's a little tear out, and we'll clean that up when we do this edge third. Sometimes it's useful to start on the end grain to clean that up later. There as well. You can also go in from both sides if you clamp it enough. Now for the round over, I'm going to use the smoothing plate. A little bit heavier setting, especially on the end grain. Basically just rounding over. So just do as much as you like, and I may want to go a little longer on the round over here at the bottom, so I'm doing more of a chamfer first, and then transition into a quarter circle round over. This gives us this kind of profile on the top. I want a more even round over. So I'm taking off the corner there again, left from the 45, same here, and then transitioning in. So this is fairly rough. I'm gonna back off the iron, some minor cut here. Again, this is breaking off. I should go from each end, or hope that I will take this off with the edges. So something like this. The same for the edges, basically. The rain is not favorable here. I'll just do the end grain first, but you've seen that before, so I'll skip that. So back to the edges. And chamfer. A little bit lighter cut. Oh. There was a bottom for the top. Oops. So that's that done. If you don't like the facets, the plain leaves, you can go over the edges with some sandpaper. Yeah, shape it whatever way you like it, and that's it. The thing is to clean the underside before trimming the legs. Afterwards it will be difficult. Remove all the marks, and if you want you can use a scrub or a jag for some texture, which can be nice to feel. Yeah, let's try that. So this is tearing out, not red, but see how you get there. And out. Now I could have gone across the grain. It might have been better. I'll try the other direction here. Hoping to get a cleaner cut. Yeah, much better. Might have liked it a little bit less rounded edge there, or blade, but yeah, I think that would feel nice. I'll do a little bit of sanding probably. I'm not gonna try the across the grain again here. I don't want to lose too much of the thickness, but yeah, that's one option. The other is to just smooth it. Here's a bit too much tear out I want to get rid of. Yeah, and this is the other direction. To switch over again.